Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and welcome to my channel where makeup is a passion and beauty is contagious. So today I'm going to be unveiling my BoxyCharm box, and I've noticed that everyone that so far has listed on YouTube has basically the same type of box. So I'm hoping that I get some of the colors that I really want. So let's start off with the card. And on the card it says Becca Hydro Mist and Refresh Powder, Wonder Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil, Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum, Ace Beaute Glimmer Shadow Duo, Steve Laurant Lip Liner. So let's start with the Becca. Now I seen that little cute nurse had got one of these and she got one that matched her skin tone, so I'm hoping the same thing happens here. So let's open it and see. Oh, it did. So I got it. What is this? Okay. Oh, it's messy. Messy. Just take some off there. Let's see. Okay. It blends in with my skin complexion. So that's going to be very good. I'm looking forward to trying that. It's just so messy. I can't believe how messy it is. Oh well. So this is the Glass Skin Refining Serum. Now I have sensitive skin and oily skin, but lately they've been sending me some facial creams that has been working with me instead of against me. So I'm starting now to really like skincare products because I'm not breaking out from it. My face, it doesn't have a rash from it or blackheads or pimples. Everything so far is okay, and I can actually sleep overnight with some of the masks on that they give, because usually when I used to do it I would break out and either like a little rash or pimples and blackheads. But in this case lately everything's been working out great, so I thank God for that. But I'm looking forward to trying this Glass Skin Refining Serum. So let's see what else is in here. So we have 2 shadows from Ace Beaute. Now usually I don't like single shadows, but I've been trying to get off into it lately, so I've even ordered me magnetic palettes. So I'm gonna have to try this out, because usually I forget to really reach for a single palette. I'm not gonna even sit here and lie about it. So let's see how this color looks. Soft. Okay, there it is. It's starting to show up. And this one is the Huckleberry. And then this one is French Vanilla, a silvery tone one. Let's see how that looks. Oh, very silvery. You see that? That's so pretty. It's very pretty. Alright, what else is in the box? Okay, we have the pencil. Alright, I'm not gonna swatch it because I probably won't use it. I'll just put it up. And then here's the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. I guess you use this before you put your foundation on. It says gently squeeze. I can't see those words. Squeeze to show 1 to 3 drops of Glow Ahead Illuminating Face. Okay, so you use and massage it into your skin. Alright, this is something different. I guess it's a face primer too. I'm going to try it out. Alright, so that's it for my BoxyCharm box for the month of August. And I'd like to thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and hit the notification bell overhead That way, whenever I post, you'll be able to see the newest content that I've listed on YouTube. And other than that, I'd like to thank you for watching once again. And depends on when you're watching this, have a good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. And God bless. Bye.